Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Poppy Eats. Second thing I got from Cracker Barrel, if you saw my video the other day, link above, that was their some sort of chicken sandwich. I also have their chicken tenders from Chicken and Biscuits, their virtual dining, virtual restaurant, whatever. Let's check them out. Let's get our selfie thumbnail with them first. These chicken tenders. Yeah. I assume if they have these in store, these are the same. Maybe not. They look alright. Let's take a bite of one. Not bad. Not bad. Not amazing. Very thin, not very hearty at all. I think this was roughly $10 for the chicken and the mac and cheese. It reminds me of kind of a hybrid between Popeyes and KFC, or even just KFC. Very similar to KFC chicken strips. That mac and cheese is not amazing. Where's mac and cheese? I like a creamier, cheesier one. This one, I don't know. It's not bad. Better than the chicken strip. This is disappointing. This is a disappointing meal. Way to let me down, Cracker Barrel. Let's try the ranch. I got into a big discussion today about ranch. This person hates blue cheese. I love blue cheese. She's like, well, I love a good restaurant ranch. Let's try Cracker Barrels. This might be for you. It's a little strong. It's ranch. But the interesting one was there was a maple chipotle. No idea what that meant. I know maple and I know chipotle. No idea which way this sauce was going to go. How? It's like, are you serious? So this is supposed to come, I think, with 4 chicken tenders? I think. This is one of them. Thanks, guys. Really screwing me there. This is like, it's like a maple syrup, but if you smell it, it's huge chipotle, spicy vibes. That's very good. Very sweet, but just hot enough. Give it a little kick. That'd be going like a chicken and waffles. That might be something they serve too. Well, where do I rank these? If we gotta do a ranking thing. I don't even know. Somewhere above KFC, but below one I actually really enjoyed. I'd probably put these right below Chester's maybe. Take a look at the ranking at the end. I gotta go see. I remember all of them once I take a look, but anyways, that's Cracker Barrel chicken and biscuits, chicken tenders. I'm so turned off by the sandwich that the fact that these are also pretty underwhelming is just really doubling down my disappointment today. But Tiger's gonna make the cut at the Masters, and I got $15 on Tiger, so let's go. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'm Poppy. This is Poppy Eats. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Hit that like button if you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. I really appreciate it. Y'all take care.